Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS4 that won't turn on. Place the PS4 on a clean flat surface so you can work comfortably. Make sure the PS4 is completely powered off and unplugged before starting. Unplug the PS4 power cable from both the console and the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds before reconnecting to fully reset the PS4 power state. While waiting, check the PS4 power cable for any damage or cuts. Also check the PS4 power brick end for any loose or bent connectors. Now plug the PS4 power cable back into the wall directly, not into a power strip. Plug the other end of the power cable firmly into the back of the PS4. Gently try powering on the PS4 by pressing the PS4 power button once. If the PS4 still does not turn on, unplug it again and continue. Remove any dust around the PS4 vents with a soft brush or air blower. Pay close attention to the side and rear PS4 air vents where most dust collects. Gently clean around the PS4 power button area as well. Now plug the PS4 back in and try turning the PS4 on again. If the PS4 still won't turn on, try using a different wall outlet. Move the PS4 power cable to another known working outlet in the room. Press the PS4 power button again and listen for any beep sound. If the PS4 gives a beep but no lights show, this is a good sign. Unplug the PS4 power cable again and leave it for another full minute. Now press and hold the PS4 power button while the PS4 is still unplugged. Hold the PS4 power button for 10 full seconds to discharge residual power. Release the PS4 power button and plug the PS4 cable back in. Try powering the PS4 on normally again with one press. If the PS4 still won't turn on, we'll try safe mode. Press and hold the PS4 power button and keep holding it. Count until you hear the second beep from the PS4. The first beep happens instantly, the second happens around 7 seconds. Release when the PS4 second beep is heard. If the PS4 enters safe mode, that means the power system is okay. Connect the PS4 controller using a USB cable to the PS4. Press the PS button on the PS4 controller to begin safe mode control. Select the option to restart PS4 first. Wait for the PS4 to reboot and return to the home screen. If the PS4 still shuts off, go back into safe mode again. This time, select Rebuild Database on the PS4 menu. Allow the PS4 to complete this process without interruption. If the PS4 boots successfully, your issue should now be fixed. If your PS4 never entered safe mode, let's try a cable swap. Replace the PS4 power cable with another compatible PS4 cable. Plug the replacement cable into the back of the PS4 securely. Make sure the connection is tight and fully seated. Plug the PS4 into wall power once more. Press the PS4 power button and check for any response. If the PS4 light turns on briefly then off, fan dust may be blocking airflow. Lightly blow compressed air through each PS4 vent again. Focus on pushing dust outward, not deeper inside the PS4. Tilt the PS4 slightly to help dust fall out. Reconnect the PS4 power cable again. Try to turn on the PS4 once more. If your PS4 still shows no signs of life, the internal PSU may be failing. The PS4 power supply can fail over time due to heat or dust buildup. At this point, opening the PS4 is optional and only if you're comfortable. If not, it's best to take the PS4 to a repair shop for a power supply replacement. Before ending, ensure the PS4 HDMI cable is also properly connected. Sometimes the PS4 may be on but showing no picture. Reseat the HDMI cable on both the PS4 and the TV just to be safe. Try powering the PS4 again and watch for the PS4 light indicator. If your PS4 now turns on, congratulations, you're good to go. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like and subscribe for more PS4 fixes and tutorials.